My wife's happy, so I'm happy. As you can see, she went ahead and already added books to all the shelves. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Wallniture Denver wall-mounted floating shelves. This is a pack of 4. I received this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. So please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. You can see how it comes packaged in a nice and simple retail box. My wife actually picked this product out for us to use in our nursery, so I'm excited to see how that installation process goes. It's a 4-pack of white shelves that are 17 inches in length, 1.6 inches in height, and 3.6 inches in width, with an inside width of 2.7 inches. They're made out of MDF wood. Now let's go ahead, let's open them up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have our installation instructions. So you can see they walk us through step by step how to properly set up and install everything. So we can see step 1 right here. We need to use the included mini level to keep it level and then mark the 2 holes for our screws. So we're setting the screw locations right there. Then we can flip it over to the back side. We have step 2, where we need to insert the wall anchors. So they include some drywall anchors for the holes we just marked. And then step 3, we actually got to fasten the shelves to the wall using the included screws, and then put the included covers on them as well to hide everything. Take note at the bottom right here, they're showing you a book in the shelf with a maximum of 45 centimeters or 17 3/4 inch right there. So just keep that in mind depending on how you want to install and place your shelves. In case you're wondering, they support up to 12 pounds of weight. You can see the drywall anchors right here. The screws are mini level and the stickers to cover the screw holes. We have the 4 shelves. I have these 2 already opened up so we can look at them right here. But all 4 shelves are identical to each other. So you can see the screw holes right there. We can look at it from this side too. So you can see that inside width, 2.7 inches, 3.6 inches on the outside width. So that nice lip right here to prop books up against. And again, here's the back side. They're all identical to each other. So we can look at the second one, but again, it's the exact same as the shelf we just looked at. And we have 2 more. This is how they come packaged too, so they're shrink wrapped together. Now let's go ahead, let's mark our holes and get these installed. So I went ahead and measured on the wall where I want the shelves. You can see 2 of the marks we have right here and right here. So we placed the shelf on the wall, then used a pencil to stick through to make our marks. I confirmed it with a laser level as well to guarantee that they're both accurate. So now we're ready to screw in the wall anchor. So I got 2 of the anchors installed right here, but unfortunately one of them broke off. So I have a house that was built in the 1940s, and this wall is basically concrete, and this is just too cheap of a material to be able to get in there effectively. I had success with the first one, but the second one broke off, and it was so close to being perfectly snug and flush in the wall. But like I said, this plaster is basically concrete, and then there's slats of wood running behind it too. That again is from the 1940s, so old wood is really hard to drill into, and these are massive anchors. So keep that in mind if you're going to be mounting in a wall like this. You might have to get creative with how you get them attached. So you can see we got the first shelf installed here. So we have that good wall anchor right here for this screw, and then we have the broken one right there. The end broke off, so I was actually able to still attach the screw to it through the wall. So really frustrating that it broke, but I was able to attach both screws without having to reposition this, patch the wall, or anything else. Now repeat those steps for the last 3 shelves. So now you can see I got all 4 shelves installed. Everything looks great. My wife's happy, so I'm happy. As you can see, she went ahead and already added books to all the shelves, and it looks really good in our nursery. Now I'm my own worst critic since I'm the one that hung these shelves, and I know that they're not perfectly level, and they're not perfectly spaced apart. I want to point out that I just wasn't the biggest fan of the level that they had, so I went ahead and used my own level because I'm just not sure that it was fully accurate, and I should have checked it before I used it with my other level, but I didn't. So I went ahead, I'm using my own level instead of the one that they provided, and I had a laser level as well, so that really helped me line up my holes. But again, they were still a little bit off, just because of the plaster in my walls, and I really had to drill a super wide hole to get those anchors in without the rest of them breaking like you saw in this video. But everything turned out really nice, and again, from a distance, nobody would ever be able to tell. So you should be really happy with these shelves if you spend enough time measuring 3, 4, 5, 6 times to line everything up. And hopefully you have a nice level as well. Specifically with a laser, that was really nice. Any other tools like that just help make everything look that much better. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about these shelves, and tell me what your favorite children's book is. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.